Hello grade 4. With you Mrs. Minna of your science teacher. I hope you all in a good health and everything is good with you. Today we will start answering the revision sheet in this video. Let's start together. Unit 7 Lesson 1. What are physical properties of matter? The three states of matter are solid, liquids, and gas. The answer will be solid, liquid, and gas. What is volume? Yes, that's right. Volume is the amount of space matter takes up. Choose the item that is less dense than water. That's right, beach ball. Which item is denser than water? Yeah, that's right. Which of these examples are solid? Water, oxygen, or rock? Yeah, that's right, rock. The amount of matter in an object is a definition of the amount of matter. Yeah, that's right, mass. Anything that has mass and takes up space, that's right, matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. A characteristic of a type of matter that can be observed or measured is called physical property. Number 9. A physical property that describes how an object feels is, that's right, texture. Measurable physical properties. I told you that we have physical properties that we can observe and some other physical properties we can measure. That we can measure is mass, volume, length. But that we can observe like shape, texture, color, size. This is the physical properties that we can observe, but that we can measure mass, volume, length. Number 11. Observer physical properties of matter are color, texture, or thin or flat. This is the density. Physical properties that you can use a ruler to measure mass, volume, or density. Yes, that's right, volume. We use the ruler to measure the volume of a regular solid. Ton contain 1000 kilograms. That's right. Now, find the volume of the box. We have here the dimension of the box: 3 cm, 1 cm, and 2 cm. I told you that the volume equal length time width time height. Okay, so here length and width and height 5 and 1 and 2. So the volume equal 5 times 1 times 2. 5 times 1 times 2 equal 10 cubic centimeter. And don't forget to write the unit. 10 cubic centimeter. Okay. Here, find the volume of the stone. We have here the water only is 50 milliliter, and after we put the stone in the graduated cylinder, the volume of the water and the stone become 75 milliliter. So the volume is equal V2 minus V1. V2, the volume of the water and the stone, and V1, the volume of only water. So V equal the volume of the stone equal (75) minus 50 is equal 25 cubic centimeter. And why I write cubic centimeter? Because this is a stone and the solid object the volume unit of a solid object is cubic centimeter, but the liquid object is milliliter or liter. Okay? Okay, true or false? Number 1, there are 4 types of matter in nature. False. We have 3 types of matter. Any matter has physical and chemical properties. That's right. True. Matter is anything take up space. Yes, that's right. Matter may be solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, this is true. Density refers how much particles are close to each other. Yes, that's right. Shape is physical property that indicate with our eyes. This is true. Density is a chemical property. No, density is a physical property. Mass is measured in kilogram. Yes, that's right. The mass measured in kilogram and gram and ton. Density is measured in cubic centimeter. No. The volume that is measured in cubic centimeter, liter or milliliter. Coins are denser than water. Yes, that's right. Okay. Mention which of the following object can sink or float. Okay, this is wood, and the wood is flat. Okay, and this key is sink. Okay, but the duck toy is flat, and the spoon is metal. This it will be a sink. That's right, and apple will be flat. Okay. Now, Unit 7 lesson 4. What are the states of matter? Label the arrow to indicate the change in matter. Here he wants to indicate what's the change of matter that happened. Here we have here ice and liquid water and water vapor. So, from solid to liquid, this is called melting process. And from liquid to solid to gas, and from liquid to gas, this is called evaporation. This is called evaporation. And from gas to liquid, this is called condensation. And from liquid to solid, this is called freezing. So again, from solid to liquid, the process called melting. From liquid to gas, the process called evaporation. From gas to liquid called condensation. And from liquid to solid, this is called freezing. Okay, don't forget that. It shows, number 1, is the changes of matter from solid to liquid. From solid to liquid, this is called melting. Number 2, expands to take up all the space in a container. This is called a gas. Is the process by which a liquid is changed into a solid. From liquid to solid called freezing. Okay. Number 4, state has definite volume and shape. It's called solid. So solid has definite volume and shape. Liquid has definite volume but not definite shape. And gas has not definite volume, either shape. Condensation is the changes of matter from gas into liquid. Okay. Number 6, the particles in are close together. That's right, in solid are close together. A state has definite volume but not definite shape, called liquid. Number 8, a state doesn't have a definite volume or shape, this is called gas. Number 9, matter exists in 3 states, that's right. Number 10, in the illustration, which is an example of a liquid? Here we have this figure, which an example for liquid, that's right, water. Water is an example for liquid. The air around us and the air inside a balloon are form of gas. Okay. Number 12 is the process by which liquid changes into gas. Liquid changes into gas, so it will be evaporation. Okay, put true or false. There are 4 types of matter in nature. This is false. Chair has a definite shape and indefinite volume. No, chair is a solid, so has definite shape and volume. Heat energy is added in case of melting, that's right, because for melting we need to add heat. Water has indefinite shape but definite volume, that's right. Oxygen has definite shape and definite volume. No, oxygen is a gas, so it doesn't have definite shape or volume. Heat energy is removed when water changes from liquid to solid, that's right, because freezing needs cooling, so heat energy is removed. Evaporation is the process at which liquid changes into a solid. From liquid to solid called evaporation. No, it's called freezing, so it will be wrong. Okay. Unit 8, lesson 1. What are some physical changes? Number 1, which of the following is a mixture? Here we have soda. Soda is a mixture. Salt water is a mixture. Lemonade is a mixture. So all of the above is the true answer. Ice melting is considered as physical change or chemical change? Physical change. Melting, evaporation, condensation, and freezing, this is all physical change. Which of the following is not a mixture? Flour and sugar, this is a mixture. Air fillings and charcoal, this is a mixture. Corn flour, this is not a mixture, and atmosphere is a mixture. So the right answer will be corn flour. Number 4, breaking a pencil is considered as physical change. Don't forget that the physical change, cutting, tearing, breaking, okay, and the changes of matter, that freezing, evaporation, condensation, and melting, this is all a physical change. Okay, number 5, salt dissolving in water is considered as a physical change. Formation of mixture and formation of solution is an example for physical change also. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Paper being crushed up, rotten banana, or cooking an egg. Crushed up of the paper is a physical change, and folding paper is a physical change. Number 7, during evaporation process, heat energy is to liquid. Evaporation, so it need heat energy, so it will be added. Number 8, what is a physical change? The physical change, number A, a change when 2 or more substances form together. No, a substance that dissolve in a solvent, or a change that when substances are formed. The true answer here, it will be a substance that dissolve in a solvent, because when we dissolve substance in a solvent, this is called solution. Solution is an example for a physical change. This is the true answer. Freezing is a change in state from a liquid to a solid, that's right, and heat energy is removed from the liquid. So the true answer, solid and liquid. Which of the following would be a physical change? Slicing bread, baking bread, or baking cake? Slicing bread. Slicing is meaning cutting. Which of the following things has matter? basketball, sun, you, all of the above. All of the above is a amateur. Okay, number 12. Melting is a change in a state from melting from solid to liquid. That's right, from solid to liquid. Okay, number 13 is a combination of two or more substances that keep their identities. Physical change. The physical change. Combination of two or more substances. This is called mixture. Number 14 is a mixture in which the substances are evenly mixed. This is called solution. The large part. Number 15 is the larger part of a solution that dissolves the other substance. That's right, solvent. Okay, now in seawater solution, salt act as solute, and water act as solvent. Number 2, in lemonade, what act as a solvent? That's right, water. Water act as a solvent, but lemon juice and sugar act as a solute. So here lemon juice and sugar act as a solute. Water and what work together to break up oil into smaller particles that can be washed away. And soap, that's right. Or we can write it detergent. Melting is a change in state from melting from, that's right, solid to a liquid. And heat energy is added to solid. Evaporation is state from, that's right, liquid to gas, and heat energy is also added because melting and evaporation need heat energy. The last one, number 6, freezing is a change in state from, that's right, liquid to solid, and heat energy is removed because freezing and condensation need cooling, so the heat energy is removed. True or false? Changing a physical property such as size, shape is a physical change. That's right. Freezing is a change of state from liquid to gas. No, freezing from liquid to solid. Cutting paper is a chemical change. No, cutting paper is a physical change. Water alone cannot clean up oily mess. That's right. With water we need detergent or soap. In sugary solution, water act as a solute and sugar act as solvent. No, water act as solvent and sugar act as solute. That's right. Finally, thank you for listening and wait me in the next session to complete our revision sheet. Bye bye.